Here I have Seatel L4 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the phone's dialer. Let's activate the secret code. Let's wait a few seconds. So you need to use *## 06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to close this window. Now if you would like to check IMEI and also serial number, you need to use the settings. So let's here find and select settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose here the about phone. Here tap status, and as you can see here you can open the IMEI information and use, for example, the following info. You can also go back and here you can read the IP address, Wi-Fi MAC address, and also serial number. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.